Wait, say
By
it again?
David Shannon. David Goes to School by David Shannon. David's teacher always says, "No, David! No, David! No yelling, no pushing, no running in the halls. David, you're a tragedy. Sit down, David. Don't you come in class. David, raise your hand. Keep your hands to yourself. Pay attention. It's your turn, David. I don't care who started it. David, recess is over. Again? That's it, mister. You are staying after school. David, have you finished? Good job, David. Okay, yes, David. You can go home now.
Good job.